It is April 13th. I have here some eggshells. These are actually really good for like calcium supplements for soil. So I'm actually gonna grind these up. Oh, it smells awful. So that is what it looks like. It's just a little powder. Also, if you have chickens, you can always just feed the eggshells back to your chickens. I just don't have any, so I'm gonna do it as a soil nutrient. So come to the garden with me and we're gonna go pour these in. So I'm out here in the garden. I've got my eggshell powder. These actually supposedly are really good for like pepper plants and also for onions. So I'm gonna pour them into my onions. Pour this into the soil over here. It's over here. So this is my pop-up setup. I've got a lot of stuff. These two I'm actually keeping. If you look closely, this one actually has some roots starting to show through finally. So I'm actually going to be repotting this one, uppotting it actually, and then same with this one. I actually need these two pots to replant some of those. I just filled this up with some soil. This is actually a different soil than I've used before, but it's supposed to be for like root growth. So I think it'll be fine. I don't know if I mentioned, this is a bell pepper plant. And it's got some nice looking roots in there. And okay, much better. This is supposed to be celery. I'm not sure if these are 3 different ones or if it grows like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and plant it like that and we'll see. Okay, they're separate. I have one right here. So I have quite a few of these that have rooted. These two have rooted and these two have rooted. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch these ones. I only have 4. This one has just the tiniest of roots. I'm gonna move some of these outside. You can fill these up. Has rooted. This one's got a nice set of roots right there. Go ahead and put this one in there too. It's got some nice roots on it. You can see. This one also has some nice roots on it right there. This one in here. I have this big pot. I think I'm gonna put my grape cutting in here. So I just put this grape cutting in here. I'm gonna go stick it outside. I have a couple of jalapeno cuttings. They have not rooted yet. I'm gonna stick them in soil and see if that helps. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and water these really fast. So I've got these in there. Hopefully these will root. These ones already are rooted and they should be ready to go for the sale.